Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a universal natural fertilizer for plants, perfect for September and October, which you can use for onions, garlic, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, flowers, and many other plants. This fertilizer is inexpensive, easy to make, and provides plants with all the essential nutrients for healthy growth and preparation for winter. Everything you need is already at home or in your garden, and the preparation takes just a few minutes. Here's how to make it and why each ingredient contributes to your plant's health. We start with 1 tablespoon of rice, which we first grind in a mill to maximize the release of vitamins and minerals. Rice is rich in B-complex vitamins, minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, as well as amino acids that promote plant growth. Grinding the rice ensures that the nutrients are more easily released during fermentation, providing energy to both plants and soil microorganisms. These nutrients strengthen the root system and help plants cope with autumn stress, such as lower temperatures. Rice also adds organic matter to the soil, improving soil structure and water retention, giving your plants a healthier environment to grow in. Friends, write to us where you're watching from. Thank you. Put the rice in half a liter of warm water. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast to the mixture. Yeast is an excellent source of B-complex vitamins, which help plants absorb nutrients and boost their immunity. It also stimulates the activity of microorganisms in the soil, improving soil fertility in autumn when microbial activity is lower. This ingredient helps plants, such as flowers and vegetables, stay strong even in cooler conditions. The yeast also speeds up the fermentation process, ensuring that nutrients become available to the plants more quickly. Then, we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar serves as an energy source for beneficial soil microorganisms, stimulating their activity and breaking down organic matter. This helps plants absorb nutrients more effectively, which is crucial in September and October as they prepare for dormancy. This simple ingredient also enhances the fermentation process, making the fertilizer even more effective. In addition, sugar helps maintain a healthy balance of microbes in the soil, preventing harmful bacteria from dominating. Finally, add finely chopped banana peel, about 1 banana. Banana peel is rich in potassium and phosphorus, which strengthen the root system and help plants accumulate reserves for winter. These minerals also increase plant resistance to cold and stimulate flowering in autumn flowers, such as chrysanthemums. The banana peel attracts beneficial soil microorganisms, further improving soil quality. It also slowly releases nutrients over time, providing a long-lasting boost that keeps plants healthy as the weather cools. After adding all the ingredients to half a liter of warm water, stir well and let the mixture sit for 24 to 48 hours to ferment. Then strain the liquid and dilute it with 3 liters of water to reduce concentration and adjust it to the autumn needs of plants, especially onions, garlic, and perennials that focus on root development. Water the soil once a month in September and early October, avoiding overwatering as plants slowly enter dormancy. For flowering plants and vegetables that are still blooming or producing fruit, like tomatoes and peppers, you can apply it every 2 weeks. This fertilizer is completely natural, inexpensive, and easy to prepare, providing your plants with everything they need for health and resilience during autumn. Friends, write to us where you're watching from. I love connecting with gardeners from all over the world. Share this recipe with your friends and try it in your own garden. Best regards.